Developing the skill of welding is developing a craft. You're putting your signature on something and your specific little touch to it. The thing about welding is you can pretty much make anything that you want to that is a metal, and you can repair anything. It's a skill that you can use to innovate and to create your own solutions in many different occupations and many different technical occupations. Welding is kind of a gateway to many different paths and careers. There's so many different roles and titles and things that welders do. Some welders work in production, and so they're doing, repetitive runs of parts, and some people are working in custom fabrication, and so they're doing welding plus fabrication plus a little bit of design work and a little bit of customer service on top of that. A lot of jobs now are, I think, moving more towards automation, which is not totally a bad thing. It requires us to give our students more technical training. Not only do they need the manual skill of knowing how to weld, they're going to need the skill of how to work with the software, program, and operate robotics, how to use robotics to create more efficiencies, and having people that are innovative, who are ready to work with the latest technology, who have the skills. Those people are more valuable in going right to work and helping companies with their needs for growth. I think if you have an interest in welding or you have an interest in being able to bring your ideas to life, you should consider welding.